Hey, you know what? People raise pigs. They raise pigs. But parents train children. See, no one says, hey, I'm training pigs. No, you don't train pigs. You raise pigs. And then you slaughter them and you eat them, and it makes for a great breakfast. But kids, you got to train. So here's the deal. If you're a kid and you've got parents, you'd be foolish not to go to them and say, hey, train me, teach me. See, if you're going to be in a sport and you want to play, you want to be a starter, you want to play every game, every down, guess what? You got to go to the coach and say, train me, coach. Well, your parents know a lot more about life than you do. So you got to be smart enough to say, hey, mom, dad, train me, teach me, help me out. And if you're a parent who's listening to this, guess what? You cannot teach what you do not know. So you better hit the books. You better find a mentor. You better ask someone who's doing a great job at parenting, help me train, help me teach my kids. Remember, you raise pigs. You train kids. Know the difference.